When you log into your Chromebook, you will see three windows pop up: Clever, your dashboard, and the Talbot Middle School homepage. Clever is a way for you to be linked to all of your important apps and tools without having to ever enter another password. So when you're prompted to log in with Google, please click Log in with Google. And here on the Clever dashboard, you'll see your instant login applications. Your teachers can add things to this, but when you log into Clever, you have some basic options like Google, Talbot homepage, iReady, typing, your Google Drive, Edgenuity, Google Classroom, parent support, tech support, and our new social studies book. So if you are in cohort A, C, or D, the first thing you do will be to go to Google Classroom. If you are in cohort B, you will be receiving your work through Edgenuity, so you will click here. On the first day of school, you will join a class. It will probably say something like sixth grade, cohort C, D, and what you're going to do is click the join button. Once you click the join button, you will see a post in the stream telling you when to join your grade level orientation. So this particular class is asking you to join your orientation at 8:35, and the Meet link is linked here. So at 8:35, you are going to join your Meet link by clicking the link provided. You'll click join. Make sure you put all the allowances on, and your teacher will be waiting for you here. Once you are logged in, your teachers will help you get set up with the rest of your classes, and you'll learn a little bit more about what school is going to look like for you for the rest of the year. The dashboard tab gives you access to all of the Google apps that are available to you right on one screen. So you'll see your calendar, your classroom, your contacts, your mail. And as school goes on, your teachers will be teaching you how to use all of these apps to the best of your ability. The last tab that you see will be the Talbot Middle School homepage. And on this homepage, as you scroll down, you'll see some really important items, such as the ability to report a technology issue. So if you're having trouble with technology, you can click this link and it will bring you to a tech form that you may fill out, and someone will be getting back to you to help you solve your problem. If you're having trouble logging into your device, you can look at this to help you log in. And if you need your password reset, you can also fill out this form.